Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our January webinar, Maximizing Fleet Safety, 5 Things You Need to Do Now. My name is Armand Gadula, VP of Operations for Field Logics, and it's certainly my pleasure to go over this information with you today. So our objective here is to help you understand how important it is to be proactive about your fleet safety, not only to keep your drivers safe, but also to save you money. So I'd like to ask all of you, are you proactive or reactive? Here are some stats about how much fleet vehicle accidents can cost you. These facts are from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. The average fleet vehicle accident costs $22,000. If you were to add injuries to that vehicle accident, that average rises to $331,000. In the event of a fatality from a vehicle accident, that average skyrockets to $7.2 million. With this, accident-related costs are one of the leading causes for small business failures in the United States. With this, it is very important to do your best to prevent such accidents. Here's a quote from an actual defense attorney who represents trucking firms with claims filed against them after such accidents. Here you can see how important it is to be proactive. As Mike Ezel states, firms who implement an operational program that monitors employees' driving habits can play a major role in lowering the cost of a lawsuit settlement. Here's some more information to really put into perspective as to what effect a fleet vehicle accident may have. The US experienced a 20% jump in death rate per mile between January and June of 2020, as per the National Safety Council. 40% of all motor vehicle accidents were work-related. 53% of work-related accidents cause employees to miss work, costing employers $57 billion. With that, it's estimated a single vehicle out of service can cost a business $760 per day. Now, to add to that, as we examine this information further, you also have to consider that there were 17% fewer miles driven in the first half of 2020. This is an alarming increase, the 20% jump in death rate. Furthermore, in June of 2020, when some states' restrictions eased, mileage was still 13% lower than normal, but the death rate per miles driven and number of deaths still increased. Tying all this information together, companies definitely do pay a huge cost that include wage replacement, medical expenses, property damage. In some cases, these costs must be covered for all parties involved in an accident, not just your employee. There's even some less obvious costs that must be considered. Those are service disruption, lost clients, missed sales, a negative company reputation, reduced productivity, and claims, administrative, and legal fees. Here is where telematics comes to help. Systems such as Field Logics. 86% of fleets now use telematics. 43% of those fleets have seen fewer safety accidents. But on average, these fleets are only using 3 features within the system. Less than 40% of these fleets track actual key factors within their systems that are related to safety. We can definitely do better. So with this, what we'll be going over is some items further down in this webinar on how you can use the Field Logic system to really help with your fleet safety. So with this webinar, we want to make sure that you, our customers, are getting the most of your partnership with us. With Field Logics, you always have somebody guiding you to ensure that you're getting the most from your investment with us. Take it from D. Walker, a commercial insurance agent He states, firms using fleet monitoring systems are offered rate reductions of up to 10 to 15%. That's definitely another way to be proactive and help cut cost. So again, I'd like to ask, are you proactive or reactive? We can definitely help. Let's explore some ways that you can start being proactive today. You can begin monitoring your vehicles in real time with Field Logics. You can eliminate unsafe behavior that can cause accidents with Field Logics. We also have an optional feature, which is an in-cab safety feedback system that will alert drivers when they are driving in an aggressive manner or if they exceed maximum speed set by the system. You also have a driver scorecard feature allowing you to have information as to how your drivers are using your vehicles, who are the ones with the highest score who use it the most safe, and those that have the lowest score that drive in an unsafe manner. You also have the ability to compare your driver behavior metrics to other fleets in the same industry or even the same region. Overall, a fleet tracking system makes employees more accountable, and accountability reduces the odds that a driver will be in an accident. Take it from Heather, a customer service manager from Sierra Solutions, one of our customers. She states, GPS tracking adds another layer of safety, and Field Logics' customer service is the best. We are definitely here to help guide you with Field Logics to become a more safe, much more safe fleet. With Field Logics, you're able to monitor your fleet of vehicles in real time. You're able to log into Field Logics on the web or even download the mobile app, being able to see where your vehicles are at right now. Sempro Solaris, customer of Field Logics, has a fleet of over 100 vehicles and uses the Field Logics system to track their technicians' activities. James, a fleet manager over at Sempro Solaris, says, we focus on safety as our vehicles haul a lot of gear. Luckily, our techs have had only a handful of accidents. In Field Logics, you're able to take advantage of driver safety reports. These are here to help eliminate unsafe behaviors that cause accidents. Here, you're able to see our trends report. You're also able to see the speeding report here, allowing you to see every single time a vehicle traveled above a particular speed that you select. You also have the aggressive driving report, allowing you to see every single time any one of your drivers drove in an aggressive manner. You also have fuel efficiency scoring, giving you the ability to stack rank and score driver fuel efficiency, and also view your best and worst performing drivers and their driving behaviors that waste fuel. Our customer RLG Builds monitors 70 vehicles after installing the Field Logics system into their fleet. Prior to implementing Field Logics, a team of 70 air conditioning repair techs were averaging about 3 speeding tickets per month. Now, with Field Logics, the RLG fleet averages only 6 tickets per year. Let that sink in a little bit. Went from 36 on average speeding tickets for the entire year down to 6. With regards to speeding, Field Logics will help you be able to monitor it by receiving email alerts for reports such as related to max speed violations, street speed limit violations, and even excessive idling. We also have the optional in-cab safety feedback, in which if a driver was to drive in an aggressive manner or drive at a speed that is unsafe, there is a siren within the vehicle cabin that will alert the driver to slow down. Our customer, Piedmont Service Group, started using Field Logics' fleet management system to encourage their fleet employees to drive safely. Fleet manager there, Neil, says, the field logic system works great. We have techs slowing down left and right after having their units installed. The speed limit buzzer works excellent. With Field Logics, you're able to take advantage of our driver safety scorecard. Here, we score your drivers on aggressive driving, speeding, and posted speed violations. You're also able to take a look at fleet benchmarks, giving you the ability to compare your driver behavior metrics to other fleets in the same industry and in the same region. So at this point, I hope we covered enough to help convince you to leverage these safety features on your own fleet. If you would love to see a preview of just how much we at Field Logics can help, download this presentation. Click on the link on this particular page and calculate your potential risk. Maintaining and maximizing your fleet safety is only one way Field Logics can help you cut costs, maximize safety, and get more done. Here's an example of some other ways Field Logics can help. Field Logics can help improve your efficiency by giving you the ability to dispatch optimized routes to your drivers. We can help you reduce fuel costs by helping you eliminate idling, speeding, and unauthorized use of the fleet vehicles. We can help you also improve safety by monitoring unsafe driving and recover stolen vehicles. We can help you reduce labor costs by helping you verify work hours and eliminate downtime. We can help you improve maintenance by sending you vehicle maintenance alerts and also give you the ability to log your odometers. On top of that, Field Logics prides ourselves on helping you improve your customer service by providing you with proof of service as far as job completion, and also ETA alerts to your customers, letting them know when your technician will be arriving. If you would like to learn more, please contact Field Logics support at the email address here. And we'll be more than happy to go and answer any questions or concerns that you may have.